Is your Rogers Xfinity app constantly crashing on your iOS or Android device? App crashes often happen due to corrupted cache data, outdated app versions, or device issues. Common causes include corrupted cache data from temporary files that get damaged over time. Outdated app versions miss important bug fixes and updates for compatibility with latest operating systems, and general device issues that can affect app performance. Quick fixes start with clearing the cache to remove corrupted temporary data. Update the app to get the latest fixes and compatibility improvements. Finally, restart your device to clear RAM and refresh the system. To clear the cache on iOS, go to Settings, then General, iPhone Storage, and select Xfinity. Choose Offload App, then Reinstall App. This clears the cache without losing your data. For Android, navigate to Settings, then Apps, select Xfinity, tap Storage, and choose Clear Cache. To update the app, open the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android. Search for Xfinity and tap Update if an update is available. To restart your device, power it off and turn it back on. This clears temporary files and frees up RAM. If the app still crashes after trying these steps, contact Rogers Support. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset, but remember to back up your data first.